Hello friends, welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm a father of a wonderful son, husband of a caring woman. I'm into real estate from last 25 years and I take my job as serving rather than selling, and I love giving plenty of free advice in real estate. तो आज का टॉपिक है दोस्तों ब्लिसबर्ग जो इनका लॉन्च हुआ है सेठ अश्विन डेवलपर का। तो आज हम लोग इसके बारे में बात करेंगे। Let's begin with the show. So friend, this is the elevation of the building and you see over here, this is total 7.5 acre of land parcel is there, in which all these two towers position has been given, and this tower, it's all sold out. Now developer has launched this tower, Blisburg. So Blisburg is having around 5 level of podium parking, 2 level of amenities, that means 7 level is amenities and parking below, and 37 is the habitual floor on top. 37 to 38 is the habitual floor on top, which has combination of 2, 3, 4, all types of flats are there. So 2, 3 and 4 BHK flats are available in this complex. So this is how the complex will look. It's a very wonderful design and it's developed by Seth Group, Seth Ashwin Group, and it's a wonderful design complex. And you can see the landscape over here, the parking space over here, and all the amenities are given on the podium level, which 2 levels have been used for the parking here. So when you see the complex landscape has designed very well and very beautifully it is designed. And even the building look is very good. सबसे बड़ी इसमें बात है जो कंस्ट्रक्शन क्वालिटी है और जो फ्लैट के जो डायमेंशंस है और जो फ्लैट के अंदर जो फिक्चर्स है, फिटिंग्स है, वो सारे ब्रांडेड क्वालिटी के फिटिंग्स है। और शेथ डेवलपर इटसेल्फ इज अ ब्रांडेड डेवलपर। और यहाँ पर आप देखोगे बिल्डिंग का जो आगे मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा, थोड़े बहुत ग्लिम्सेस हम लोग पहला देख लेते हैं। दिस इज द लैंडस्केप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग। यहाँ पर आप देखोगे ये 2 लेवल यहाँ पर और नीचे का 1 लेवल जो है वो एमिनिटीज में दिया हुआ है। यहाँ पर भी ये जो गेट यहाँ पर दिया एमिनिटीज में दिया हुआ है। और ये स्टेयरकेस से यहाँ से ग्राउंड फ्लोर से स्टेयरकेस से आप ऊपर जा सकते हो सेकंड लेवल के लिए। दिस इज देयर यू सी दिस आई थिंक सो दिस इज ऑल ट्रैक ओवर हियर which goes around the building, and there's a staircase over here which goes to this amenities below this, and these are all top amenities over here. And come clubhouse and gymnasium is given this side over here, which with large size of swimming pool. Large size swimming pool has been given. So landscape has been designed very good for this complex. So the code name for this building is the Unmessable Life, and this project is Montana. It is on LBS Mark in Mulund West. And the project building name is Blisburg. I mean, wonderful families are staying in this complex. Already 2 buildings possession has been given. And third and fourth, this is the 4th tower. Blisburg is the 4th tower, which is launched recently. So complex is designed and developed. It's very close to the nature, and here you can see, you can enjoy the nature's beauty as well as leading the modern lifestyle. And this is the image taken from the building. It could be from the 10th or 15th floor. So this is how the city will look from one side of the complex. LBS Mark is hardly 350 meters. It's a walking distance LBS Mark. And Eastern Express Highway is 3.3 kilometer. Domestic airport is 18 kilometer. International airport is 19 kilometer. And DAV International School is 1.8 kilometer. Rudraksha International School is 2.4 kilometer. NES International School is 2.6 kilometer from this complex. And if you see the hospitals, like Fortis Hospitals is 1.4 kilometer, Apex Hospital is in Mulund, which is again 2.9 kilometer, and Platinum Hospital is at Mulund, which is again 3 kilometer from this complex. And there's one more hospital, that is Jupiter Hospital, which is at Thane, which is 7 kilometer from this complex. And there are good shopping and recreation centers are there, like R Mall, Vivarea Mall, R City Mall, and Phoenix Market City Malls, which is hardly 2.5 kilometers, some are at 7 and 9 and 12 kilometers. Vivarea Mall is at 7 kilometers, and Phoenix Market City mall is 12 kilometers from this complex. And of course, the ecosystem is very good for this complex. Blissburg is very well designed. It has combination of 2, 3 and 4 BHK flats. And it's a 7 acre of development with Blissburg Hillviews, and 4 towers of 45 tower each has come up, but all the 3 towers have been sold out. This is the last tower, which is Blissburg, and there is double level eco deck spread over 5 acre. So you can imagine how wonderful the tower is. Architecture is James Law, which is an Hong Kong company, and landscape is again by Trop, T-R-O-P, which is from Bangkok, and show apartment interior is done by HBA, which is a Singapore company. When you see over here, friends, this is Blissburg, this Giona A, Giona B, Rosa A, Rosa B, and Sierra. These all towers are almost sold out. This is also sold out. Now this is the last tower of this complex of this Montana, and this building name is Blissburg, and it's something unique and very well decorated and well designed landscape has been given with lots and lots of amenities has been given in this complex. Even the swimming pool, you see it's a large size of swimming pool with a parapet on top or roof on top, so you have a privacy in this swimming pool. And there is a wooden flooring given below over here, so you don't skid when you walk on the flooring over here. And secondly, there is a sitting chair, which is the poolside chair, you can say, which has been given in this pool over here. So in other amenities, you have amphitheater, you have park walk, then banquet hall, refreshment bar, business center, toddlers creative studio, lawn pavilions, auditorium, socializing pavilion, children's zone, party lawns, sunken seats, private library, entertainment room, and TV lounge. So all these amenities you are getting in this complex. And there are many more like table tennis, squash, badminton, billiards, basket court, kids pool, games room, kids play area, golf, simulator, senior citizens area, bowling alley, cricket nets, jogging track and cycling track, and tennis court. So plenty of amenities has been given in this complex. And it's all a professional size of swimming pool and badminton court and pool game and everything, all professional size has been given over here. Again, there are many amenities like steam and sauna, spa, fitness center, yoga room, jacuzzi, swimming pool, and mini pool. And one more plus point, there's a Jain temple spread across 3,000 square meters. So there's a Jain temple in the complex. And its flats are with deck. So it's a large size deck has been given. You can sit here, you can keep your 2 to 4 chairs over here with one small teapot. So big size deck has been given in this complex. And this is the image of the sample flat. You can see the French cut windows has been given, and the hall size and the dining space is separate, living space is separate. This is the larger flat picture, and especially this could be a 4 BHK. And when you see over here, the sliding has been given end to end, wall to wall sliding has been given. It's a French cut window from top to the bottom of the flooring. So enough of light is there and sunlight is there in the flat. And of course, the Seth group, it's a joint venture with Imami. So these are few projects like Vivania Mall, then Synergy at Prabhadevi, then Vasant Lawn, and Biomonde at Prabhadevi. These are the projects that Ashwin Seth group has completed. So friend, as you see this building, there's a projection out over here, and here there's a step over here when you see the top floor. So when you see the plan also, so the projection has come out this way, and these are steps over here. So this is the top view of the unit plan, and you see there's a 3 BHK, 2 BHK, 2 BHK, 2 BHK, again 2 BHK, 2 BHK, 2 BHK, and 3 BHK over here. And there is one more 3 BHK over here. So 4 BHK can be done with this combined Jodi flat, can be combined into 4 BHK. So this is the option to convert into 4 BHK, and measure of the flats has been given 2 BHK. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 flats are there, out of which 3 flats are 3 BHK and 6 flats are of 2 BHK, and 4 BHK can be done with when you combine these 2 flats together. Only the center wall you have to take. So it becomes a wonderful 4 BHK flat. So let us see the single floor plan of 2 BHK. So when you come inside from here, there's a kitchen on left side, and then dining space, living space, bedroom, and this is one bedroom with wooden flooring. So this is attached, and this is common washroom. So this is one of the bedroom, and this is one of the flat layout, 2 BHK. So friend, again, this is the plan of 3 plus BHK. So this here you see there's the dining space, living room with large deck, kitchen, dry balcony, and 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms are there, and one master suite is there. So this is the large size bedroom is given over here. So there are 3 bedroom and plus 1 large size bedroom has been given. That's why it's written over here 3 plus BHK. So this is as good as 4 BHK, you can say. And this is again 2 plus. So when you say 2 plus, so this is 1 BHK, this is 2nd BHK, and this is the master suite. And again, the planning is very good. You come inside, there's a dining space, there's a living space, kitchen, dry balcony, and with hall, there's a deck here. So let us see the prices. So price are for 2 BHK, 649 carpet. Agreement value is 1.44 CR. And for 3 plus BHK, which is 1338 carpet, agreement value is 3.17. And for 2 plus 902 carpet, which is 2.17 CR, and again 3 BHK 1108 carpet, 2.65 CR, 2 BHK with 611 carpet, 1.32 CR, and 2 BHK with 594, it's 1.32 CR, 2 BHK with 594, 1.30 CR, and 2 BHK Lux 710 carpet, 1.52 CR, and 3 BHK Lux 710, 1.52 CR. So this is only the agreement value. Other charges will be stamp duty, registration, GST, and society development charges, which will be around 10 to 11% of this, which will be added on the agreement value of the cost. So friend, this was all about Blissburg at Montana by Ashwin Seth Group at Mulund. For booking, you can call on my number 7400138561. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to this channel. And see you again very soon with one more new project. Thank you for watching this show.